Hello, and this is Beessokoo1, and welcome to Traction of Not for Kids, fucking toy review, HATCHIMALS. So yeah, this is a toy review of Dashi, which I have a feeling that he doesn't like it, because he feels very uncomfortable, and he looks like he's being taken hostages or something. But the only thing he's taking hostage is his freaking self. And Tina and Lori, obviously. Dashi!
Oh, what
Ooh.
up? It's Dashi,
Mm-hmm.
and welcome back to Kids
KIDZ.
Toys.
Toys.
Christmas Toys.
Toys. Toys.
Kids Ghetto Unboxing Christmas Toys.
Christmas ghetto. Christmas toys.
Today we have Hatchimals.
HATCHIMALS.
Now, if you guys remember my previous episode, or one of my previous episodes, I did Surprise-a-Moles.
Yeah.
Apparently that is the bootleg version of this, because this toy is like really hard to find apparently, and a mom almost came at me and threw hands once I grabbed the last one at Toys R Us.
For real. For real?
I'm pressing charges. So apparently what you do is
Damn.
that you hold the egg in your hands, it hatches, and then you play with it. Now I want to understand why this is such a popular toy, going for so much money on eBay. I checked. I almost did not make this video, but almost made a little something on the side. I don't know about you guys, but I'm excited. Let's get into it. I hope everyone is having a great day.
And everyone having a great day, is right?
I'm still trying to understand the name. I get it. It's a fucking animal and it hatches Hatchimals. I should start making my own shits. Put them in a black box and put just a dumbass animal inside of it. Call it Whack-A-Moles. I don't fucking...
Jeez.
This motherfucker is making noises inside of the egg.
You don't say.
His eyes are also glowing as if though he is possessed by Satan.
Oh my.
It sounds like he's doing something in there that I cannot discuss in this video.
Damn straight.
My boy or girl.
Oh god.
It sounds very sexual.
Yeah.
It agrees. Okay, this motherfucker is definitely doing something sexual in there. Let's find out. Here we go. Okay,
Oh,
so I
my.
went ahead and just let him free. Okay, I'm not sure if this is how you're supposed to... Are you okay? He is now free.
Now what?
Do you move?
Yeah, do your move. Beat it!
Bonus toy, bonus time. Bonus toy is bonus time.
Alright.
Shut the fuck! Like I was
Shut the
trying to
fuck
say.
up.
Bonus time, bonus toy. Toys, bonus. toy. Today's bonus toy is Yokai I Watch Jibanyan.
Oh yeah, I like that show. It's a weird looking version of like Digimon or something like that, or Pokemon or something. I don't know. Something about the personalities or something like that.
Oh, glasses. Okay. Here you have it. It transforms into a different toy.
Nice sounds to it.
Wow, it's like 2 toys in one.
Yep. Yeet.
Thank you guys for watching and tuning in. Before I go, I would like to recommend a toy.
The Dashi plushie.
Have a new one for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching and liking and thumbs up. And I will see you with a new episode this week.
All right.
Have a great toy coming up, so stay tuned. And please leave me suggestions of toys that you would like to see as well.
All right.
Oh, I just remembered. I almost forgot to tell you last week.
God damn it, Dad.